Good morning, this is Teresa. I am going to talk about Flylady today. Flylady is a cleaning and decluttering system that was created by Flylady. She teaches you how to do different things in the system. It's basically decluttering at first, but I want to switch it up just a little bit. I want to be decluttering while I'm cleaning. We just got too much stuff. The other thing is she is big on routines too, so there will be routine setups, and there will be, once that's done, there will be zone cleaning. Your house will be set up in different zones, and she also has different types of tips and tricks throughout the system that will help a little, and that's basically the description of Flylady. She does have a book out on it. I think two books at least. One of them is Sink Reflections. I don't remember what the second book is, but that's basically the system. And the other thing is that I wanted to speak on is who she is. She was the creator of the Flylady system. And the reason why she is called Flylady is because she likes to fly fish, and she teaches it as well. That's basically it. I will start the lessons next week. And explain the different steps as we get to them. And that's it for today. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.